Hello dear viewers, I have something special for you today. In this tutorial I will share a proven method for getting free gift cards for the Shein store. Before recording this video, I tested the credibility and safety of the website and everything looks very promising. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how I completed all the tasks. So we go to the website rabatna.com. Now we select the website in our language, which is English. Now, as we can see in the video, the offer is limited and valid until supplies last. Yesterday, when I was still browsing the website, there were more available offers. However, for today's video, I will demonstrate how to add discount codes using the example of the Shein online store. So we click the Claim Your Coupon button to receive a free $300 voucher. After a moment, instructions will appear on how to complete tasks step by step to reveal the gift card. Specifically for the Shein store, we see information that this is an additional verification to ensure that gift cards are not claimed by the same person. This verification involves completing a task, but the task we need to perform is entirely free. Our task will be to order free men's or women's boxes. After clicking the I want to receive a voucher button, a page will appear where we need to choose a task to complete. Depending on the country you are from and the device you are using, the pages may appear slightly differently. I'll talk more about this at the end of this video. Now, I am selecting the design and size of the boxes. We proceed until the point of providing the shipping address. Here, for the purpose of the tutorial, I will fill in all the necessary information. I will enter the first and last name as well as the email. Clicking Next, as shown in the video, we now need to enter the address manually or request to be located. I chose the manual entry method and now I will complete the delivery method. By choosing the manual entry method, we can precisely enter the address where we will receive the free boxers. So we enter the street, house or apartment number, postal code, city and region, then we click Next. Remember to provide accurate information when entering the address so that the order actually reaches you. Now, the most crucial aspect is order verification. For this purpose, I choose PayPal, and as we can see, the verification is free. You can also choose a credit card, depending on your preference. For obvious reasons, I have cut out the PayPal or credit card verification process, but please remember that it is necessary to obtain the Shein gift card. If we do not complete this stage, the task will not be counted. Now, we return to the rabatna.com website and refresh the page by clicking the orange refresh button. Now we should see information where we find our gift card along with the PIN needed to enter on the Shein website. And now see, dear viewers, I copied the code, added 4 products to the cart totaling $340. Shoes, dresses and pants. Now we need to paste or enter the gift code we received. Now we copy and paste the PIN. After pasting the code and PIN, click the Apply button. We can see that the gift card has been credited and the amount has been reduced by an additional $300. I recommend this method for free shopping. I don't know how long the website will generate gift cards, but I think the interest is high. Now, I wanted to tell you another very important thing. Completing the task of purchasing free boxes is not available in all countries. For example, to the United States, the company that delivers the boxes does not offer shipping. But don't worry, you will receive another task to complete also for free. It will involve entering and confirming your email address. That's all. Depending on the country you are from, it will be something like what I am showing you here in the video. Just enter first name, last name, email, etc. It's important to confirm this address and check I confirm. We click the submit button, then confirm the email. Very simple. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.